This is my first gear. This is a waterproof mat. It comes with a small pouch. It is quite big. Around 4 people can sit in this to have a picnic or something. Since this is waterproof, you can also use this as a tent. I will show you how big this is. How big it is. This is a mosquito repellent. If you feel there's mosquito around you, you can just spray this around you so the mosquito won't come near you. This smells like lemongrass. My next item is this. This is the light. As you can see, there's a button here. If you click it once, it will be very bright like this. If you click another time, it will be dimmer like this. If you click another time, it will blink like this. This is actually an emergency light. So if you click again, it will off. This is the charging port. Before you go camping, you can make sure this is fully charged. And after that, if you are in your tent and it's dark, you can hang it on your tent like this. You can just hang it. After that, you can just on your on this so it become bright. You'll be wondering why I bring the masking tape. It is because just in case if your tent is leaking, you can use this to tape your tent so that it will stop leaking. Or you can also use this for other purposes. Obviously, there's no question about water. Water is a very basic essential need. We can use this for drinking or also cooking. I also brought the gas burner with me. This is the gas burner. As you can see, this, we can put small pots here. And if you open it like this, we can put bigger pots. And also, we need to open this so that it becomes stable. It looks like this. This is the gas. So we need to fix the gas here and we need to open this. After that, we need to click this button to start the fire. So we can put the pots and start cooking. The small pot is very convenient. I also have cooking pots. As you can see here, there's a bigger pot and a small pot. For this, we can use to boil water or cook anything. And this, we can open like this. After that, we can use it as a bowl or we can cook small dishes such as egg. And also, if you want to cook rice, you can use this as a lid also, like this. So we can open it like this. There you go. I guess you all know what is this. This is a plaster. While hiking, in case you get injured, you can quickly open this and put it at the injured place. Of course, this is very important to cut food items. Always bring a snack with you during camping. As an intro, I just want to show you all my camping gears for my camping activities. See you next time. Bye.